Well, hello there everyone, and how are you today? Happy Friday, it's Cupcake Day. Who's been looking forward to cupcakes? I know one certain little unicorn has. Apparently, Mama said he's been up all night. So he must have been super excited, and I bet he's going to be super tired when we're finished here today. But anyway, shall we say hello to your friend E ME UNI? E ME, your friends are all here to see you today.
My friends? Hello, friends.
He's been, as you know, very excited. So, E ME, are you ready to decorate these cupcakes with me?
I sure am. Oh, but Miss Tia.
Yes, you've got to wash your hands. I've got to wash my hands, and you've got to wash your hands.
You've got to wash your hands.
I've got to wash my hands, so hold on a minute and I shall be back. It's so important to wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Washing your hands is so important in the kitchen. And I just did it. And thank you for reminding me. Okay. So let's ask him who we're making this cupcake for, shall we? Who am I making this cupcake for?
Can you make it for Mama?
Do you know that Mama is E ME UNI's mummy? Of course I can. What colour would you like me to do?
Could you do all of them?
What do you mean, all of them?
All the icing.
Oh, the icing. I've never iced a cake before. That means I'm going to have some help. Could you hold the magic all around me? What if I get it wrong? You won't. I won't. He doesn't think I will, but, well, I'll try. I need you to hold that magic around me whilst I do all the icing around the cupcake. Are you ready? Okay then. Here goes. I'm so nervous. What if I get it wrong? I'm sure I won't. Alrighty. Oh, I'm going to make a flower. Yes, I am. I'm going to make a flower. E ME, what do you think?
I think it's fantastic.
He thinks it's fantastic. I think it is too. Yay! I did it! You see, you can do anything. Even if you're scared and you've never done it before, just try. Just like I just did. Now I'm getting the hang of it. I want to do more. Hold that magic. I'm going to use orange now. Is that okay?
Sure is.
Oh, goody. Sure is. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. It's a yellow flower. How fantastic is that? And now we've got to put the middle bit in, which is the white. And that's all of them, right, E ME?
Sure is.
Okay. Look at that, guys. Now, I'm going to ask him, does he want sprinkles? And I bet he's going to say yes. Hold on. I've just got to wipe my hands because I got a little bit of the icing on me. Okay, E ME, are we putting sprinkles on as well?
Yes, please.
I told you, I know my unicorn. All right, here we go. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle it is. And look, can you see all the sprinkles on it, the sparkles? I think we might just add some of these little pearly, oh gosh, this is so special for Mama. Look at that. Well done you for helping me make this today. You see, you can do anything when you tell yourself you can. And even if you're scared, just do it anyway. Do it, do it, do it, like we did today. So on that note, we have a competition for you. Send us a picture of you in the kitchen, cooking with your mom or your dad, your grandma. Send us a recipe if you want. And we will put all of the people, their names in our hat, maybe this one, or most probably that one, and we'll draw your name, and then we'll send you a gift. And we've got lots of gifts to send you, especially an E ME UNI mug. And it's going to be full of yummy things, an apron signed by E ME UNI, and a hat. So go on, enter into our competition, and we will be sending one of you a really special gift from us. So now we have to finish off making the cupcakes because there's a party happening in Magic Land today, and we've got to deliver all these yummy cupcakes to all of E ME UNI's friend, especially Mr. Bumpernook. He's put in a request and he wants all orange icing. So thank you for that. But at least I know I can do it now, all of those colors. So it's bye from me and it's bye from E ME. What do you say, E ME?
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends. See you soon. And don't forget, you can find us on our website, emeuni.com. That's EME uniloves.com or on Instagram, uniloves, UNILUVS. And he does. So we'll see you soon. Bye.
Say goodbye.